Hello everyone, welcome to Concept. My name is Dharmendra Rajbhar. Today we are going to learn about scalping strategy. Okay, I will help you to understand what is the scalping strategy. Okay, many people ask me that I want very simple scalping strategy. That means I need to use only one tool or no another tool. Okay, so here I am going to tell you about only one tool. Okay, it will help you to optimize your trading. It will help you to take the scalping to the next level. All right. And this is very simple scalping strategy. Just few things you need to keep in your mind, and it will everything will be sorted out. Okay. So now let me explain you what is scalping, and let me explain you how I am going to use the order book. First I will show you what is order book, then I will show you how to use the scalping trading only in 1 minute, time frame. Okay. So let's just say you are going to take only 2-3 trades. Okay, because not most of the time you are going to sit on the screen. All right. So here like initial like 1 hour, 1.5 hour or 2 hours, it will be more than enough. Okay. So it will give you some points, and that point will be much better as compared to bigger trades. All right. So now let me give you an idea how to do the scalping and what is the scalping. All right. So now, so here, so let me give an idea of scalping. Scalping. All right. So now in scalping trading, okay, most of the normal intraday trade, okay, normal trade, okay, normal trade. What people do? People take 1:2 target, 1:3 target. All right. This is the target. All right. But in scalping, there is no 1:2 or 1:3 target. There is only like 10 to 15 points in Bank Nifty. In Nifty, it is 5 to 10 points. Okay. So let's just say in Nifty, if I am buying 1000 quantity, that means if I am getting 5 points, that means I am earning 5,000 rupees. Okay. That is how scalping trading is. Okay. Now in normal, it is usually 1:2 or 1:3 target. Second thing, few trades. Okay. Okay, this is the first. Second, few trades, and sometimes also no trades. Sometimes no trades. Okay. Here you will get like 4 to 5 trades. Obviously, some of them will be stop loss. Okay, don't consider that all 4 to 5 trades will be 100% successful. Some of them will be stop loss. Okay, so now here few trades or maybe sometimes no trade. Here the issue is stock selection. Stock selection. There is no issue in scalping for stock selection. Either you can consider one or two stocks, or you can go with the Nifty or Bank Nifty. Okay, most of the scalpers go with the Nifty and Bank Nifty because of volumes, because of liquidity. Okay, because of volatility. They don't go with the stocks. Okay, so this is how the difference. This is what the difference between the normal trading and scalping trading. Now let me show you how I will do the scalping, and let me show you what is order book. Okay, and I will show you how to do the scalping using the order book data. All right. So in order book data will give you the idea about buyers and sellers. Okay, about buyers and sellers. All right. So let me type it down. Order book data. Okay, now consider this is the candle. Okay, now order book data will give you the real time data about the buyers and the sellers, that on particular candle at a particular time how many buyers are there, how many sellers are there. That means how much quantity they are buying it. Okay, so it will be called buyer initiated quantity and seller initiated quantity. Now consider this candle is green color, Okay. Now here it will show you both buyer as well as seller. Now in buyers, let's just say there are 5,000 quantity, and in sellers it is 3,000 quantity. So it's clearly indicating that buyer is more than seller. That means buyer are more dominant. That means the price is likely to go up from this particular candle. Okay, it is likely to go up from this particular candle. All right. So what I'll do, I can initiate the trade. Okay, but that is not how I'm going to do the trade. Okay, I will show you how to utilize this particular candle. Okay, just I'm showing that if it is green color, the buyers are more as compared to seller. That means buyers are more dominant. Okay, they are going to push this particular stock towards the uptrend. Okay, now let's consider that if it is not green. Okay, if it is a red color. Okay, here now reciprocal it, buyers are 3,000 and sellers are 5,000. Okay, that means here the seller are more dominant as compared to buyer. That means there might be a bearish trend. There might be a bearish trend in that particular candle. So I can initiate the trade toward the downside. Okay, so this is about order book candles. This is about order book data. Okay, now let me show you how to utilize the order book data. Okay, now I'll go to analyze. I'll select chart, orders and trade. Okay, so let me erase the RSI. Here you can see this order book data. Okay, now how to add the order book data, how to add the order book indicator. You will you can go here. Okay, go to indicator. All right, now here you will see both the indicators: order book buyer initiated quantity, order book seller initiated quantity. Now there are some settings. Okay, you can watch the videos in video library to do the settings. All right, so there are some settings you need to consider. All right, or I can show you the settings also. All right, so let me show you the settings. No problem. Okay. No, it is very simple. So under quant indicator, all right. So what I'll do, I'll go for the order book buyer initiated quantity. All right. So here you can see order book buyer initiated quantity. Now I want to go for order book seller initiated quantity. Apply changes. This is how it will appear. Now order book buyer initiated quantity, I will go to the settings. I'll change the color to green one. I'll change the histogram to line and click OK. Now here also on the seller, I'll go to the settings, change it to red color, change the histogram to line and click OK. Now I need to align these two indicators. So what I'll do, I select over here option, move to existing pane above. These two indicators, these two part of the indicators has been merged. Now I want to do scale up. So here I will click on A, merge all scale into one on the right. Now my setup is ready. All right, now I need to change it over here, Bank Nifty. Okay, most of the traders do trading in Bank Nifty, so that is why I am showing you Bank Nifty. Now this is the Bank Nifty, and I'll go with the 1 minute chart. Okay, so this is the 1 minute chart. Okay, now here I'll show you right from the morning. Okay, and you can see how I got good number of points. All right, so here now the spikes, the red spikes indicates at that particular candle the sellers are more, the green spike indicates the buyers are more. All right, so what I'll do, I'll go with the red spike. Okay, now here the red spike is on the first candle. You can see the sellers are 30,000, buyers are 22,000. Obviously it is in green color and it is going up, so there is no way I am going to take the bearish trade. Okay, so here just listen to me carefully what I am going to do over here. Now first I will look for the spike like this. Okay, I will look for the spike like this. Let me show you. Okay, I will look for the spike like this and will look for the candle above this particular. Okay, I will look for the candle, okay, not this one, okay. I will look for the candle above this one, okay, 1, 2, okay, this one is the candle, alright, this one. I will look for the candle, okay, above this spike, okay, and I will look at the numbers, okay. The sellers are more as compared to buyer, okay. I will mark the lowest price, okay. So, whenever that lower price is broken over here, I will initiate the trade and I will buy, I will book few points over there, okay. Whenever the lower point, whenever the lower price, okay, closing price you can see, closing price of the red candle, okay, in which the sellers are more, the red spike is there, okay. Whenever that price level is broken, I will initiate the trade and I will get the good number of points, okay. Anywhere you can see, whenever I am getting the red spike, okay, I will wait for it, okay, I will wait for that candle to be closed, I will look at the numbers, I will wait for the closing price breakdown and I will initiate the trade, okay. I will book like 50 points in Bank Nifty, so it will be more than enough for me, because at the ATM level you will get 20-25 points, okay, that is enough for the scalpers, alright. So, you can see any point here also, okay, you can see the spike. Now, let me check where it has been broken. So, you can see it was broken over here, you can see the point, you can see the point. Now, go for the green one, this is the green one, you can see the highest, but it is not broken. You can see the green one over here, okay, it is the highest, but it is not broken, only red one is going down, only red one. Now, let me show you the green one. You can see over here, this is the green one, the highest is broken over here, you can see the point I got it over here. This is how you are going to do the scalping trading, okay. Now, let me show you, okay, now let me show you, alright. So, here on this particular candle, okay, let me keep the cursor, okay, now here, okay, you can see the sellers are 12,000, buyers are 4,700, almost thrice, okay. Now, I will wait for the breakdown of this particular level. You can see horizontal line, I will mark the horizontal line, this is the lowest price, okay. Now, you can see the price was broken down over here. Now, if I want to capture this point, how much point I got over here, let me check, okay, price range. 66 points. 66 points means at the ATM level you will get more than 30 points. That is the beauty of scalping trading. Okay, that is the beauty of scalping trading. So let's just say at the ATM level it is like 300 rupees. Okay, so at 300 rupees. Okay, so let me give you the calculation. Okay, so let's just say at the ATM level it is 300 or maybe 350. Okay, so if I want to do the scalping, because in scalping you have to place a huge quantity in order to get the good result. Okay, so now here if I am going to buy like 100 quantity or maybe 200 or 300. Okay, so the nifty lot is around nifty lot is around 15. So let's just say if I am going to buy 300 quantity, so it will be like 90,000 rupees, and here 300 quantity I got 30 points. So 30 into 300 you got 9,000 rupees. So almost you can see 10% return I got. Okay, so see 10% is way more. Okay, what I am trying to say, even if you are getting like 10 points, okay, 10 points, so you will get 3,000 rupees. All right, 3,000 rupees. So that is how you are going to make using the scalping. Okay. Now, so this is the setup. Now let me show you more detail. Okay. Now here, okay. Now this is the lowest point. All right, this is the lowest point. Okay. Here I will wait for the breakdown. Okay. Now here you can see the price retraces till here. Okay, and it went down over here. So it gave me like after like 9:35 till 9:49. Okay, so roughly around you can say 15 minutes. Okay, roughly around 15 minutes. So if I am going to shift it, just a minute. Yeah. So here 37 points, right? So if I am going to wait for it, you can see 37 points. So here also I will get like 15-20 points. Okay. So that is the second scalping. Okay. Now let me show you the third one. Okay. Third one is over here, because on this particular candle you can see the sellers are 6,105 and the buyers are 2865. So it is twice the number, alright, twice the number. Now I will wait for the breakdown. You can see the breakdown happened over here. Okay. Now, in 3 candles, that means from last 1, 2, 3, 4, in 4 minutes you got 106 points in Bank Nifty, close to like 50 points in the options. Okay, close to like 50 points in the option. Now here you can say, now we will go for the green one. Okay, this is a red one, now we will go for the green one. Okay, now here you can see this is the green candle. Buyers are 6,400, sellers are 4,200. That means buyers are more. Okay, whenever there is a breakout. Okay, now the highest point of this candle is broken over here. Okay, so I will initiate the trade over here. Just a minute, it's not working clearly. Yeah. So 46 points I got it. Alright, 46 points. So it is also giving me like 25 points. Okay. Now you can see the green candle over here. Okay. The highest point is broken over here. And you can see the Nifty was 50,054. Okay. Now, okay, this is the candle. Okay, this is the candle. All right, broken over here and it gave me point till here. All right, so you can see the scalping which I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so out of 5, okay, none of them hit my stop loss. All right, none of them hit my stop loss. But of course, if you go ahead, you will get the stop loss also. Okay, stop loss also, because no strategy is perfect. Okay, you will get the stop loss. Someday out of 5 you will get 2-3 stop loss. So do not get very worried. Okay, because sometimes it happens. Okay, but most of the time, let's just say if you are getting 1 to 2 trades and it is success, 100% success, leave that day. Okay, just close your laptop. Okay, book your profit, that is enough for the day. Okay, if you do this kind of trade every day, then only you will be profitable. If you look for to capture every opportunity, then there might be some setback. Okay, so this is how you are going to do the scalping trading using order book data and using the Bank Nifty chart. You can do in the stocks also, but in stocks there is a issue of the liquidity. Okay, so most of the traders go with the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So this is about scalping trading. If you like this video, please like and share. If you have any doubts regarding the tool, call on the number mentioned above. This is Dharmendra Rajbhar. Thank you very much.